So how many appointments or sessions will you need of electrolysis? At least 6 to 8. Some hairs will be killed immediately the first time we give a current, and that means perfect success. We killed every single hair cell in that follicle, and that one's not going to regrow. Other hairs will be partially killed or mostly killed, but there's a few living hair cells that somehow evaded us and they survived. If you have living hair cells still in the follicle, that hair will regrow. It's going to be much finer, weaker, subdued, closer to the surface. And then we're going to get it again next time we see you in 2 weeks. Other hairs may not have even been present when we saw you at your first appointment because hairs have a life cycle where they die, they shed, and a new hair grows. So it may have been an empty follicle when we saw you. By the time we've seen you about 6 times or so, 2 weeks apart, you should see a really good reduction in those hairs. If there's no change in that time, and especially if you've been feeling plucking or pulling of the hairs after the current's given, it wasn't enough current. It wasn't an effective treatment level for you. If you're ever getting electrolysis somewhere and you're feeling every hair pluck or pull after the current is given, it's not effective. You can pluck for free at home.